Can XRP really hit $50 per token or per coin in this next bull cycle? So here's the thing. We hear about these wild, crazy price predictions all the time. Like XRP is going to $1,000 tomorrow. And that's just not going to happen. So I wanted to make kind of some realistic content around the price of XRP. So before we get into kind of the numbers, a couple different things. Number one, it is super, super hard to speculate where the price of any cryptocurrency could go. Is it fun to speculate? Yes. And I think when we do speculate, we should err on the side of conservatism. So number one, we don't get our hearts broken. And number two, if it doesn't go as well, like shoot for the moon, land on the stars kind of thing, right? We'll still make some money, but don't expect to make like 1,000x every single time you put money into a crypto, right? Now, here's the thing with XRP. It's really hard to predict XRP because it's already a relatively large crypto, relatively, but still has a ton of room to grow. And the pent-up institutional demand is absolutely insane, right? And all of these things makes it, I think, both a risky, but also potentially profitable altcoin to be in, right? And this is one of those top 10 cryptos that absolutely could go parabolic. And I think $50 per XRP, while it's kind of nuts, isn't out of the realm of possibility in this next bull cycle if everything kind of aligns perfectly. And I want to lay out some of those scenarios. Also talk about, okay, if the price is this high, where would we actually have to go? How could we get there? And all of that. So if you guys like the sounds of that, by the way, make sure you guys smash the like button down below. Hit that subscribe button as well. And definitely you want to be here as we get closer and closer to that next bull run. And so check out all the links down there, including my trading indicator, which you can kind of see on this chart. If you guys are looking to have one, 85% of traders trade with a trading indicator, guys. It's super important to not trade with emotions, especially when we get back into a bull cycle. So with that being said, XRP's price right now is sitting just under 55 cents. Okay. And if we take a look at the daily, we had the big pop basically to $1 earlier this year. If we go back to 2021, even though you couldn't buy XRP anywhere, even at that bull market, we got up to $2. With all the wins that we've seen from XRP, I think a $10 XRP in this next bull cycle is a really good bet. Now, can we get to 50, right? Like that's the big question. And let's zoom out here and go to the weekly with XRP. And we can see here that actually back in 2021, we still set some big highs there, even amid all the nonsense that was happening with the SEC and you couldn't buy it anywhere. Still, XRP blew up. So I think a $5 to $10 range is really probable given the 3 victories we've already seen XRP Ripple have. And just knowing that this bull market is going to be bigger, they always are, right? Because we're still at very minuscule adoption levels right now. But if we go into this right here, this is the coin perspective. And right above me, we can see here, if XRP had a market cap of $2.7 trillion, so that is basically a little bit more than double the overall market cap we have today. Okay, one XRP would be worth $50, and that's an upside of 90x. So right now, XRP makes up a very small, considerably smaller percentage of the overall market than Ethereum. But if XRP were to flip Ethereum, right, that alone would have XRP's price at $4. It's an upside of 633%. And I think in order for XRP to really get up to these $50 to $60 price targets in this next cycle, XRP would have to overtake Ethereum. I think that would have to happen. Is that out of the realm of possibilities? Not really. I mean, it's quite a bit. Okay, I mean, we're sitting at, let's just call it a $30 billion market cap for XRP, where Ethereum's 214. We would have to stall with Ethereum's adoption. Something bad would have to happen to Ethereum, and basically have a lot of that capital then flow into XRP. Now, obviously, you would say, okay, XRP could just grow faster than Ethereum, which could happen, I think, over time, but I just don't think that could happen in the next 24 months. Okay, so when we're looking at XRP's market cap, Okay, again, we'll come back to this price target of 50 bucks. It's a 90x. The problem is we'd have to get to a $2.7 trillion market cap, and our global market cap sitting at 1.26 right now. Okay, so can I see XRP getting to $10 here in this next cycle? Yes. Okay, this is a realistic price target, I think, a 17x, $535 billion market cap. Now, even like 20, this would be bullish as hell, like getting to a $1.1 trillion market cap, 36x, but I could actually see this happening in the best case scenario. $50, there would have to be so many things go our way. Okay, now over time, I think XRP will get there. The adoption is incredible. And again, the adoption is so hard to kind of gauge, right? And so is the institutional interest and the amount of money on the sidelines. How much of that money would flow into the top cryptos? How much would they allocate to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, right? It's so hard to navigate. But I think when we really look at it, like $10 price target seems really solid. And I think if we have a really blow off top here in this next cycle, a 36x to 20 bucks could be in the cards. Could be in the cards. And again, could we get a little bit higher than that? I mean, we start looking at 25, it's a 45x. Start looking at 30 bucks rather than 50. Okay, a $1.6 trillion market cap, that is higher than the overall market cap right now. So it could happen. We could see over $1 trillion come into XRP. We could. And it's feasible, right? It is feasible. But I think we'd have to have a lot of wins kind of go our way in a short amount of time. And I do think it's going to take some time still in court for some of this stuff to get through. But eventually, I think XRP will get to 50. I think XRP will get to 100. I really do over time. It'll be a $5.4 trillion market cap. So to me, XRP still has tremendous upside, both short-term and long-term. But I wanted to kind of give some realistic price targets here. And again, I hope I'm wrong. I hope it goes to 50 to 100 because I have a ton of XRP. I'm pumped if I'm wrong here, right? But I think I just want to give some scenarios and get you guys thinking about what we need to happen here in order to hit some of these price targets. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. If you like this style video, let me know by smashing that like button and subscribing. Ring the notification bell too so you don't miss out on any of our content. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.